Azuma, Minnie, Cookie, Titi, come here and finish your food. Muni has to go to her home too. Jimin ran to her. Muni, Minnie will eat with Uni. Titi will also eat with Uni. Cookie, eat Uni. Azuma went to Cook's level. Cookie, you should say Cookie will eat with Uni, not Cookie eat Uni. Cookie will eat food, not Uni. Cook shook his head vigorously. No! Cookie eat Uni. Uni Titi. Licked his lips. Jimin. Muni! Cookie Mish! Cookie will eat by Uni's hand. Azuma, oh, okay, I got it. But Uni will be late, na? How can Minnie and Cookie will stay hungry till then? T, offended. Muni didn't take Titi's name. Titi's poor heart ached. Ah! Let down on the floor while putting his hand on his chest. Cookie, save Titi. Quickly put his tiny baby hands on T's chest. Azuma smiled to see their cute drama. Oops, sorry. I mean, how can Minnie, Titi, and Cookie stay hungry? Jimin. Simple. Minnie, Titi, and Cookie will play with ball. Jinny Hangi sent ball for us. Azuma. Oh yeah, but that is in Jungi's room. T. So what? Muni should go and bring that. Azuma, Muni can't go there, Titi. T. But we. Azuma, because that is in Jungi's room. Muni isn't allowed to enter in his room. Jungi will be angry on Muni. Jimin said, then how will Minnie, Titi and Cookie play? They all were talking and suddenly ball hit on T's foot and he picked the ball. T happily picked the ball. Ball is here. Jimin, but how can ball came here by its own? Cook ran to them. Cookie, ball here. Azuma shocked. Cookie, you brought the ball from Jungi's room, but how? Cook started acting. Cookie, run, pick ball, run back. Azuma, Cookie, you shouldn't go there. Now Jungi will scold you. Cookie, only ball. Azuma, I know Cookie only went to pick the ball, but Jungi won't understand this, na? Don't do this again, okay? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Ati! Azuma ruffles his ears. My good boy. Now play here. Don't go outside anywhere. Azuma will be back soon. Azuma went to somewhere and women Cook started playing with ball while laughing and shouting. They missed the whole living room. Not a single thing was at their place. They threw all the cushions on the floor. The house was filled with their giggles and shoutings. After a few minutes, Jungi came there while talking on mobile. He wasn't looking at the floor. He tripped because of the cushions, but balanced himself. Women were still shouting and laughing. Jungi, still on the call. I want all the information about them. Yeah, I will be there. Don't worry. What did you say? I couldn't hear your voice. Speak loudly. Looked at women cook who were busy in playing and said, Shh, don't make noise. I'm on call na. Hearing Jungi's voice, they all stopped shouting, but only for a few seconds. They again started shouting and running. In this attempt, they fought so many things. Jungi was trying his best to not burst on them. He calmly told them to stop shouting for a few minutes, but they didn't take him seriously. They were laughing and running here and there. At last, Jungi's patience comes to end, and he cut the call and went to women cook. Jungi snatched the ball. What's your problem, huh? Can't you listen at once? I was telling you to stay quiet. I was on call, but you weren't listening to me. Jimin tried to snatch the ball. Uni, give ball to Minnie. Minnie's playing with Titi and Cookie. Jungi, you little chick, stay in your limits and tell me, why weren't you listening to me? T kicked Yoongi's leg. Yuni, don't disturb us, Jitan and Paul. T looked at him. Oh, so now you also got tongue. T showed his tongue to him. Titi has tongue, she's Titi's birth. Yuni's wasting a time. Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. I'm wasting your time. Yeah, you are the king of any kingdom, na? Jimin looked at him. No, we are twins. We are so busy, not like Yuni. Yoongi, busy in disturbing me. Cook looked at him. Yuni DPS. Yoongi looked at Cook. Oh, so now you also started arguing with me who can't even form the sentences. It's disturbing, not DB. Cook, no, DB. Yoongi looked here and there. What did you make this living room? Who play like this? You don't even know how to play. Not a single thing is on their place. By the way, this ball was in my room. Then how did it come here? Cook. Cookie, run, pick, ball, run back. Yoongi, how dare you to go to my room without my permission? Jimin. Yuni, don't shout and give back ball to us. T. Yeah, return the ball. We are playing. Yoongi, play all the time. Either you are playing or disturbing other. You can't even stay silent. How much you talk all? My head is started hurting. I can't even find a little bit peaceful movement. Since the day you all come here, my house became zoo. You are only 2 feet, but your tongue is way more than longer than your height. You wanna play, huh? You want this ball, right? Took out the ball from his pocket and tore the ball and threw it. Now play. If I hear a single word from your mouth, then I won't take much time to your tongue too. Looked at women cook who were verge of crying. That's good. When you can't do anything, then start crying. But today I won't stop. If a single tear drops, then trust me, nobody will get. If you wanna cry, then I will give you valid reason to cry. And now I dare you to cry. Brought a sleeper and put it on the center table. Cry now. Why aren't you crying? Women cook were already scared to hear Yoongi's shouts, and he made them terrified by putting the sleepers on the center table. They quickly wiped their tears by their baby hands. Yoongi again got the call and he picked that. Yoongi on call. I'm coming. Don't let him go anywhere. Cut the call and looked at women cook who were looking down. What are you waiting for? Go to your room and don't you dare to come out. Women quickly ran to their room and Cookie was angrily glaring at him. Yoongi crossed arm. What? Lower your gaze. Don't you dare to look at me like this. Do you want an invitation card to go from here? Didn't you see how they both went from there? Cook picked the ball. Yuni, back! He stomped his foot on Yoongi's foot and quickly ran to women. Yoongi, you little! I will see you after coming back. Left from there. Name Min Yoongi, age 26 years old, profession Mafia King, nature scary, introvert, don't trust on anyone, allergy from smile, all the time have cold face. Name Min Jimin, age 5 years old, nature super cute, loving, caring, sweet, always smiling, naughty, troublemaker, demanding, stubborn, doesn't listen to anyone. Name Min Taeyang, age 5 years old, twin of Jimin, nature super cute, loving, caring, sweet, always smiling, naughty, troublemaker, demanding, stubborn, dramatic, crying master, doesn't listen to anyone. Name Min Jungkook, age 3 years old, nature super cute, loving, caring, sweet, always smiling, naughty, troublemaker, demanding, stubborn, can't form the sentences, protective, super possessive, anger always stay on his tiny nose, doesn't listen to anyone. Women cook aren't Yoongi's son, they are Yoongi's one house helper's grandchildren. In COVID time, they became orphan. 1 year ago, Yoongi adopted and started chasing them. Being a mafia king wasn't easy for him to raise them alone, so he appointed a caretaker for them. And time to time, his group member Jin came and played with them. But it doesn't mean he doesn't love them. He loves them so much and tries to fulfill all their demands. He never shouts on them before, except today. Today he had a bad day. He was tense too. In that frustration, he scolded them. Otherwise, he always calmly talked with them. Women cook ran to their room and sat in the tent. Women were crying, and our cookie was consoling them while holding ball in his one hand. Cook wiped their tears. Minnie, Titi, no cry. Tea, you need scolded Titi, Minnie and Cookie. Jimin, you need burst that ball too. You need call the disturbance. Azuma came back and saw living room's condition. She understood women cook did that, as they often did this. She cleaned the living room and started searching them. At last, she came to their room and heard some soft sobbing. Azuma, Minnie, Titi, Cookie, where are you? Hearing her voice, Cookie came out from the tent and went to her. Cook, Munnie, Minnie, Titi, cry. Cookie, shit, no cry, but they still cry. Azuma, what? Minnie, Titi, come out and tell to Munnie what happened to my babies. Jimin, while crying, Munnie. Azuma, what happened, Minnie? Why are you crying? Jimin, Yuni scolded Minnie, Titi and Cookie. Azuma, oh, my baby, don't cry. Your Munnie is here. Now stop crying and tell me what happened. T, Munnie. Azuma looked at T. Oh, my tea bear, you are also crying. Don't cry, son. Tell me calmly what happened. Why did Yoongi scold you? Cookie, tell Munnie. Yuni bad. Yuni shit. Minnie, Titi, Cookie, Dibi. Jimin, while crying, he missed disturbance. Munnie, tell us, are we disturbance? Azuma, no baby, you aren't disturbance. You all are the soul of house. Cook gave her his toy hammer. Munnie, beat Yuni shit bad. Azuma smiled. Cookie, Munnie can't beat Yuni. Cook, then call Ginny. Ginny beat Yuni. Azuma, oh, you wanna talk with Ginny? Cook, yes, Ginny loves Minnie, Titi, Cookie. Cookie, sleeper Ginny. Ginny beat Yuni. Azuma, Ginny can beat Yuni. Wait, let me call him. But first, you both stop crying. My mobile. Checked her mobile. I think I forgot it at my home. Wait, let me bring that first. Cook ran to somewhere and brought mobile. Munnie, mobile. Azuma, whose mobile is this? Cook, Ginny, give Minnie mobile. Call Ginny. Azuma, oh, so Jin gave mobile to Minnie to call him whenever you want. Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, call Ginny. Azuma, okay, call Jin and give mobile to Cook. Talk with him. I'm coming in 2 minutes, okay? Cook, Ati. On video call, Jin, sweet smile. Hello, babies. Cook, Ginny, Cookie, angry. Jin, why is my little baby angry? And what's this crying voice? Cook turned mobile to women. Minnie, Titi, cry. Jin, why Minnie and Titi crying? Does Cookie fight with them or snatch their food? Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie good boy. Cookie no fight. Jin, then what happened to them? Cook, Yuni bad. Beat Yuni sleeper. Showed him his baby sleeper. Jin, oh, so Yoongi made them cry and you want me to beat him with sleepers? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Cookie, help Ginny. Showed him his toy hammer. Jin, okay, we will beat Yoongi. Looked at women who were still sobbing. Minnie, Titi, tell to Ginny what happened. T, you call this DB. Jimin, while crying, image disturbance. Looked at T. But why are you calling DB? You can say correctly. T, oh yeah, Titi can call disturbance. He's staying with Cookie. Titi forget that Titi can form sentences. Jimin, Titi is dumb and stupid. T shook his head vigorously. No, Titi isn't stupid. Titi is only dumb. Jin smiled to hear their cute conversation. Minnie, Titi, now tell me exactly what happened there. Jimin, Ginny Angi, Yuni said Minnie, Titi and Cookie are disturbance. We make this house zoo. We are always laughing and shouting. We can't stay silent. Team, Yuni said he will give us spanky, and yeah, he said he will Titi's tongue. Cook showed him both. Yuni burst ball. Jin, he did so bad. Cook stood up with his sleeper. Let's go, beat Yuni. Jin looked at Cook. Calm down, my little warrior. We will beat him, but not now. Cook wins. But wait! Jin, because I'm not there. Jimin, Jinny Angi. Jin looked at him. Yes, baby. Jimin, can Minnie, Titi and Cookie stay in your house? When Minnie will beg, Minnie will pay you. Now Minnie doesn't have anything to pay, but Minnie will pay you in future. Minnie promise. Jin heard to hear him. Of course, Minnie, Titi and Cookie can stay in my house. It's your house too. You don't need to pay anything. Don't you dare to think this again. Jimin, Minnie knows Minnie has to pay. Minnie is living in other house, so Minnie pays money to owner. Minnie will also pay. Don't worry. Brought his yellow blanket. Minnie's Oma gave this to Minnie. Ginny can keep this. Jin, more hurt. Minnie, baby. Nothing is like this. Moni is living in other person's house. That's why Moni pays the rent. But Minnie can stay in Ginny's house. Ginny Hang isn't other na. You know Uni is mad. He said without realizing his words. Don't pay attention on him. He never meant that. I'm outside of city. But tomorrow I will send Juni to pick you. Come with him. Now don't be sad. T looked at him. Ginny Angi will take only Minnie, not Titi and Cookie. Jin, how can I forget my tea bear and Cookie? I will tell to Juni to bring you three here. Cook looked at him with terrified eyes. No, Juni, please. Jin, why? Jimin, last time Juni Angi broke Cookie's toy car while teaching him, so now he is so scared from Juni Angi. Jin, oh, okay, I will come to pick you three and scold Yoongi. Till then, don't talk with him. Titi, where is Azuma? Give mobile to her. I wanna talk with her. Azuma, I'm here, Jin. Jin, Azuma, please take care of them. You heard Minnie, right? Please stay with them for tonight. Tomorrow I will come there and talk with Yoongi. Azuma, of course I will, Jin. Don't worry about them. Jin, thank you so much, Azuma. Call ended. Jin cut the call. Yoongi's words stuck in Jimin's mind. Azuma fed them their dinner and slept with them. Yoongi's hasn't returned yet. Time skipped in the afternoon. Yoongi returned in the morning and directly went to his room to sleep. He just woke up and came to living room after freshen up. He found today's house is very silent, which obviously he doesn't like. He was searching women cook everywhere in the house, but they weren't there. Azuma, Yoongi, your coffee. Yoongi took the mug. Thanks, Azuma. Azuma, house is so quiet today. Where are those three naughty brats? Azuma, you should be happy that today house is so quiet. After all, you want this. Yungi looked at her. What are you saying, Azuma? Are you angry? Did I do anything wrong? Azuma, why are you asking from me? Yungi, Azuma, please tell me what happened. Azuma, Yungi, yesterday, whatever you did was so wrong. I know they must be annoyed you, but then also you shouldn't lose your calmness. You shouldn't say harsh things to them. Do you know they all were waiting for you? They didn't eat their dinner. They wanna eat with you. They are just small babies. If they don't play and do fun, then who will do, you or I? You said since the day they all came here, this house became Zoom. Yungi, really? I said this? Azuma, not only this, you burst their ball too. Do you know how much they heard and cried last night? All the time you were saying this is your house, that's good that Jin talked with them and calmed down. Do you know Minnie requested to Jin to let them stay in his house and in return he will give him his yellow blanket which his mom gave to him. He will pay him when he will become big. Yungi shocked. What? Azuma, trust me, I didn't mean that. Azuma, I know Yungi, you didn't mean that, but they are just small babies. They don't the little meaning of your words. They knew you adopted them. You aren't their relative. You should be careful with your words. You can't say whatever comes in your mind. By only adopting them, your responsibility can't be fulfilled. If you really want to give them good life, then talk with them, play with them, understand their feelings. They are very small. If they think you only showed sympathy on them, then whole life they will think themselves as burden. They are deeply hurt and angry. Now think, what should you do? She left from there and now Yungi can hear his own words. He realized how harsh he went on them. Now he was regretting over everything. He decided to coax his angry birds. He prepared super tasty food for them as he knew they all are big foodie. He was searching them and finally found them in the garden. They were sitting on the bench. Cook, Minnie, Titi, Cookie, bored. Tea, same here, Cookie. Titi's also bored. Don't know when will Ginny Angie come. Looked at Jimin. Minnie, what happened? Why are you sad? Jimin, nothing. Minnie isn't sad. Yungi came there with new ball. Oh, so you all are here. I was searching for you, everything. What are you doing here? Come and play. Women cook looked at him and turned their face to the side. Yungi went to them. What's this? I told you to play and you all turned your face. Cook. Minnie titi cookie dibi na. Cookie no talk Uni bad. Jimin, he means disturbance. Yungi kneeled down in front of them. No, Minnie, Cookie and Titi aren't TP. Uni, sorry for yesterday. Please forgive Uni. See, I held my ears too. Jimin, no, Uni scolded us. Yungi, Uni saying sorry too. Uni will bring jam for Minnie, strawberries for Titi and Nana milk for Cookie. Tea, strawberries? Yungi, tasty strawberries. Titi can eat as much as he can. Nobody stops him. Cook, no, Ginny buy Nana milk Cookie. Jimin, Minnie, Titi and Cookie are going to Ginny Angie's house. Now no one will DB Uni. Tea, he means disturbance. Yungi looked at them. No, please don't go anywhere. Yesterday Uni was stressed out. That's why Uni said that to Minnie, Cookie and Titi. It's your house house too. I'm really sorry. I won't say this again. If Minnie, Cookie and Titty will go, then Uni will be lonely. Do you want Uni become sad? Uni start crying. Then Uni will become sick. But Uni has no one to take care except you three. Women Cook looked at each other, then Yungi, and saw his sad and guilty face. They are babies, and babies can't stay angry for long time. They can't see anyone sad. They forgive Yungi, but with few conditions. Jimin, Otte, we forgive Yuni, but we have some demands. Yungi, demands? Okay, I accept it. Tell me your demands. Jimin, Yuni should prepare tasty food for us. Yungi, done. Cook, Yuni play mini titi cookie. Yungi, done. Tea, Yuni will take us out for shopping. Yungi, shopping means Gucci. Okay, done. Women Cook ran from there. Now catch us, said while running and giggling. Yungi while chasing. Hey, wait, I can't run this fast. Run slowly. Azuma was watching them while standing little far away. Jin was on video call. They both heard their conversation and smiled to see how happy Yungi and Women Cook were looking. Kids can't hold grudge. They easily forgive anyone. No matter how much heartless and stubborn you are, in front of children, you are nothing. You have to obey them at any cost. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. This was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. However, baby Women Cook and Yungi is bonding. Babies are those angels with whom by spending time we forget all our problems, even if only for a short time. They easily distract us by their cute talks and actions, isn't it? I hope you all enjoyed this cute bickering story. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.